Ever wondered how many people are actually using Lunar? You're not alone. This mysterious social media platform has been buzzing, but its user base remains somewhat shrouded in secrecy. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth about Lunar's user count and what it all means. Lunar, with its focus on exclusive communities and curated content, has quickly gained traction. But unlike giants like Facebook or Instagram, Lunar doesn't readily disclose its user numbers. This secrecy has fueled speculation, with estimates ranging from a few thousand to well over 1 million. So, how do we even begin to unravel this mystery? First, let's look at the signs. Lunar's active engagement is undeniable. High-quality posts, insightful discussions, and a sense of genuine connection are evident. This suggests a dedicated user base, even if it's not massive. We can also analyze third-party data, such as App Store rankings and social media mentions, to get a rough idea of Lunar's popularity. While precise figures are elusive, credible sources suggest Lunar's user base is currently in the hundreds of thousands. This might seem small compared to mainstream platforms, but consider this: Lunar's focus on quality over quantity has cultivated a highly engaged community. Users are more likely to spend time interacting with content and building meaningful connections. A smaller, more exclusive user base has several advantages. It fosters a sense of exclusivity and reduces the noise often found on larger platforms. This allows for deeper conversations and more genuine connections. Additionally, it can attract high-profile individuals and niche communities, further enhancing the platform's appeal. Looking ahead, Lunar's user base is likely to grow. As the platform evolves and expands its features, it will attract a wider audience. However, it's crucial for Lunar to maintain its core values: exclusivity, quality content, and a strong sense of community. This will ensure sustainable growth and continued success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.